What's up guys, it's me your Geek. Here's my EMUI 8 Huawei Note 10. So now let me tell you how to turn the video stabilizer EIS on for the front camera, the selfie camera and the back camera. I mean, if you're using the video, mostly you cannot turn on the stabilizer because there will be like a beautification mode on. First turn off the beautification mode, click the setting, go to the video size. You can only use the video stabilizer in full HD. Click the full HD. Again go to the same area, make sure the video is 2.64, and now you see the stabilizer is on. If I'm going to shoot by like maybe 18 by 9, you see the videos. Okay, sorry, it's enabled. Maybe I'm gonna show you about the 60 FPS. There is no video stabilizer. Let me show you. I'm gonna show 60 FPS. You see there's no video stabilizer. 4K, no video stabilizer. Full HD, have video stabilizer. So this is how you turn on the video stabilizer. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.